Welcome back to the AutoFlix YouTube channel, your destination for bold cars and pure performance. Today, we're showcasing a machine that takes luxury, power, and attitude to an entirely new level. This is the BMW XM Label, but not in its standard form. What you're looking at is a BMW XM Label modified by Larte Design, finished in deep black with striking red trims and highlights. The BMW XM Label is already one of the most aggressive and powerful SUVs BMW has ever produced. But when Larte Design steps in, the result becomes even more dramatic. The black exterior gives the XM a dark, stealthy, and commanding presence, while the red accents instantly emphasize its performance DNA. This color combination isn't subtle, and it's not meant to be. It's bold, intimidating, and built to dominate attention. From the front, the Larte Design transformation is immediately noticeable. The custom front splitter, enhanced air intakes, and carbon fiber elements add a sharper and more aggressive edge to the XM's already bold design. Red accent lines run across key areas, perfectly contrasting with the black paint and giving the SUV a race-inspired look. The massive kidney grille and split LED headlights now look even more menacing, especially when seen approaching in the rear-view mirror. The side profile continues the aggressive theme. Large custom wheels, finished to match the black and red color scheme, fill the wheel arches perfectly. Red detailing along the side skirts and aerodynamic elements adds motion and energy to the design, even when the vehicle is standing still. The wide stance and muscular proportions make it clear that this is not a luxury SUV built to blend in. This is a statement vehicle. At the rear, the BMW XM Label truly shows its M character. The vertically stacked quad exhaust tips remain a signature feature, but with Larte Design's touches, they look even more performance-focused. A redesigned rear diffuser with carbon fiber details and red highlights adds a motorsport-inspired finish. The rear design reinforces the idea that this SUV is just as aggressive leaving the scene as it is arriving. Step inside, and the black and red theme continues. The cabin feels like a high-performance luxury lounge. Black leather surfaces are contrasted with red stitching, red seat belts, and carbon fiber trim pieces. Ambient lighting enhances the atmosphere, especially at night, giving the interior a futuristic and premium feel. The rear seats remain incredibly comfortable, offering a luxury experience that rivals high-end sedans. Under the hood, the BMW XM Label remains an absolute powerhouse. The plug-in hybrid system combines a twin turbocharged V8 engine with an electric motor, delivering massive horsepower and instant torque. Larte Design focuses primarily on visual enhancement, but the aggressive exterior perfectly matches the performance potential underneath. Acceleration is brutal, smooth, and confidence-inspiring, reminding you that this is a true M machine. On the road, the XM Label balances two personalities effortlessly. In comfort mode, it cruises smoothly and quietly, making it suitable for long drives and daily use. Switch to sport mode, and everything changes. The suspension tightens, throttle response sharpens, and the exhaust note becomes deeper and more aggressive. Despite its size and weight, the XM remains surprisingly agile and composed. The BMW XM Label by Larte Design is not for everyone, and that's exactly what makes it special. It's built for those who want exclusivity, power, and unmistakable presence. The black exterior with red highlights delivers a perfect blend of luxury and aggression, turning the XM into a rolling symbol of confidence and dominance. Thanks for watching AutoFlix. If you enjoyed this modified masterpiece, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let us know in the comments what you think of the BMW XM Label by Larte Design, and whether you'd choose this bold black and red setup. See you in the next video.